Good morning students. I hope everyone are fine. So in the last class we discussed some basic class about that what are the things you learnt in the last classes only, right? I given some problems based on the algebraic identities as well as the law of exponents. I hope everyone solved that one. So in this class I just introduce your syllabus, whatever the syllabus is there for your 10th standard, okay? So textbooks are available in school. So if you want textbook, then please come to school and bring your textbooks. Okay. So already came textbooks. All the textbooks are came here. So if you want textbook, then please come to school and take it. Okay. So now I discussed only part one. So I bring here only part one book. So what are the syllabus is there for your 10 syllabus, that be in a part 1 not part 2, because I didn't brought here a part 2 book, only part 1 I brought here. So what are the syllabus is there, I just give the brief introduction about that one. The first chapter is nothing but here part 1. In part 1 the first chapter is a arithmetic progression. See here NCERT syllabus, it is nothing but a NCERT syllabus is there for 9th and 10th. See here wherever you go, even for a CBSE syllabus also the same syllabus is there. So they will have only one book, and here you are having a part 1 and part 2. Two books are there. Only that is the difference, okay? But the concept and the chapters, everything is same. Nothing is changed, okay? Whole the syllabus is also same, but the giving a question paper is a different way, okay? For state syllabus it will be a easy question paper, and for CBSE they will twist and they will give the question paper, okay? So syllabus is all are same. If we have a CBSE the textbook, that is also fine. That is also same thing. Nothing is changed here. So the first chapter is here arithmetic progression is there. Okay, so you didn't heard the name of the arithmetic progression, and here they giving a only arithmetic progression. When we are learning in a 10th, when we are in the 10th, then we are having a arithmetic as well as a geometric as well as the harmonic progression. Three progressions are there for our syllabus, but your syllabus only arithmetic progression is there. Okay, it's a very easy concept only arithmetic. The geometric progression is a very difficult one, but that is not there in your syllabus. Only arithmetic progression is there. That is a very easiest concept, the first chapter. Okay, it's nothing but what you have to find the common difference and each term, what is the meaning of the term, and how to find, if they given a progression, then how to find the last term or the 12th term or the 15th term. Okay, so that is the all included in the arithmetic progression. And the second one is the triangles. Already you learned the triangles in the 9th standard, right? So types of triangles and properties of the triangles. Based on that properties of triangles we solved some problems also in the 9th standard, right? So already you have some idea about the triangles. That is the some extended part they will give in the 10th standard, okay? And moreover here comparatively 9th standard syllabus, 10th will be the very easy concept, okay? Don't worry about that one. And if you thorough with the 9th syllabus, then 10th will be very easy, because 9th only difficult syllabus comparatively 10th, okay? So next third chapter is here pair of a linear equations in a two variables is there. Pair of a linear equation in a two variable means here again it is nothing but what already you learned the equation, linear equation. What is the meaning of a equation? Already you know. What is the meaning of the linear equation? That is also known thing, right? So linear equation in a two variables, okay? So already only you learned the linear equation in a two variable. If I given a x plus y is equal to 6, then you know how to draw the graph for that linear pair of a equation in a two variable. But here they given a pair of a linear equation. Pair of a linear equation means they give a two equations. You have to find the x and y value, okay? So how to find this is a, if they given a x plus y that is equal to 10, you can know how to plot a graph for this one. Already you learned in the 9th standard. But here they will give a two values, two expression they will give. X plus 2y is equal to 20, like this. You have to solve the equations now. How to solve this? Solve those two equations, okay? Solving these two equations, we have to find the x and y value here. That is the thing. Pair of a linear equation in a two variable. This is also very easy concept. See here. Just we have to change the signs, and here x is get cancelled. X minus 2y is a minus 1, and here 10 minus 20 is a minus 10. So y value is what? 10. So using y value, we substitute this y value here and find the x value, right? So like that we can find the linear pair of equations in two variables. And after that the fourth chapter is the circle is there. Fourth chapter, circles already studied in the 9th standard only. So you have idea about the circles, that will be the study in the circle chapter only. Okay, so some theorems are there and some properties are there. Based on that theorem and properties, we'll solve some more problems on that circles. Okay, and 5th chapter is here, areas related to the circle. Based on the circle, we have to find the area. That is the 5th chapter. And 6th chapter is the construction. Same. In 9th also you studied the construction, right? Here also we'll see the construction. That is, you have to draw a circle. In 9th standard you constructed the triangle, right? So here you have to construct the circles. Okay. So that is a very easy chapter. And next 7th one is a coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is also very easy concept. And the 8th one is coordinate geometry means what? It is nothing but a plotting graph. That is nothing but a coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. What is the meaning of the coordinate geometry? It is nothing but what? Plotting the graphs. Okay, there will be a graphs are there. That is nothing but a 7th chapter. That is a coordinate geometry. And 8th chapter is a real numbers. Based on the real numbers. In real numbers, what are the types of numbers? Rational as well as the irrational numbers are there, right? So in that real numbers, we'll discuss the rational, about an irrational. We have some problems. Based on that, we'll solve. Okay. So in part 2, I don't know whatever the chapters are there. I think up to 15. In part 2 also 7 chapters are there. Total 15 chapters are there for your syllabus. So I didn't brought here part 2. So only part 1 I am telling. We'll see in next classes. Okay. So now we'll begin the first chapter, that is the arithmetic progression. Okay. The unit number 1 or else chapter number 1, arithmetic progression. Chapter number 1. Arithmetic progression. Okay. So here they give an introduction. See here. You must have observed that in nature many things follow the certain pattern, right? So you know the patterns. About a pattern system you know already. In curtain also we see the patterns, as well as in leaf also we can see the patterns. In flower system also we can see the patterns, right? So there will be so many things are there in a nature or in a world. We can see a pattern in that anything, right? So that only the given here. So arithmetic progression is also nothing but it's like a pattern only. Okay, so when we write the pattern in the form of a same thing, okay, so when we take the difference between those two numbers, we'll get the same thing. That only nothing but the arithmetic progression here. And here in arithmetic progression, see here, we can write a numbers like this. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Last, you can take anything. So here, see what we call this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. For each number, we can say that is as a term. Okay, this is the first term. We can say this is the first term. This is the second term. Okay, this will be the third term. Okay, this will be the fourth term, and this will be the fifth term. Like that we can call. Okay, if this is a progression is there. Okay, whatever they given a number here, right? So the first value is called as the first term, and second value is called as the second term, and the third value is called as the third term, and the fourth value is called as the fourth term, and the fifth value is called as the fifth term. Understanding what is the meaning of the term? Here each numbers in the list. See here, I listed one numbers here. So in this list, each number is called as the terms. If the number is in the first, then it is called as the first term. If it is in the third, then it is a third term. Like that we can call this one. Okay. So what is the meaning of the arithmetic progression now? Arithmetic progression. Okay. So arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. This is the short form of that one. Arithmetic progression. AP is nothing but arithmetic progression. So what is the meaning of the arithmetic progression is nothing but so it is the list of numbers, okay, in which each term is added by the some fixed number, okay, to the preceding term except the first term. Okay, so the arithmetic progression is the list of numbers. It is a list of numbers which each term is added by the fixed number to the preceding term to accept first term. Okay, once again listen here. The arithmetic progression is the list of numbers, okay, in which each term is obtained by the adding a fixed number to the preceding term. What is the meaning of preceding term? What is the meaning of preceding? Preceding, I hope everyone know the preceding meaning. Preceding ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. Preceding, predator and successor and predecessor ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. In lower classes you will heard the name of a successor as well as the predecessor. So that is the preceding term here. Okay. So when this arithmetic progression is it is a list of a number. Okay. List of a number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to preceding term except first term. Because for first number we can't add any number, right? See here, I'll give an example. That is the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Okay, see here, this is the first term. We can't add anything to the first term. For that reason here they given except first term. Okay, try to understand definition properly. Okay, in that definition only everything is there. Okay, so list of a number. What is the arithmetic progression? It is a list of a number, right? It is a list of a number in which each term is all the terms here. Okay, each term is here 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. So each term is obtained by adding means you have to add. Okay, so fixed, you have to add the fixed number to a preceding term. Preceding term means here what? 1. So we are adding here 2, right? For everywhere I added 2 here. For preceding term means here 1. Consider the 1 term, add 2. What is the answer? You will get 3, right? So for 5, preceding term is what? 3, right? So preceding term is 3 here. If we added 2 to the preceding term, we will get a next term, that is 5. And again add 2, we will get the next number. Again add 2, we will get the next number. Understanding what I am saying? So arithmetic progression is the list of a number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except first term. Don't add to the first term except first term. Okay, you have to add for every terms again. So arithmetic progression is the list of a number in which what? Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except first term. Okay, so this is called as the arithmetic progression here. Okay, so in arithmetic progression, after that we are having here the fixed number is called as this fixed number. Here fixed number is what? 2 is the fixed number, right? So that fixed number is called as the common difference here. Okay, the fixed number is called common difference. Okay, short form is CD. Okay, we can call that as a CD, common difference. CD means common difference. Okay, so the fixed number is called as the common difference here. And after that, okay, so now write the geometric progression in general formula. How to write in a general formula? See, arithmetic progression in general form. How to write in general form? Means without using any numbers, we can write in a general formula. Okay. So arithmetic progression in general form. That is nothing but what? A1, A2, A3, so on, AN. The last term is here AN. Okay. The last term is the AN. The first term is A1. A1, A2, A3, so on, AN here. Okay. And the D is the difference here. This is nothing but a what? Common difference. Is denoted by small d here, difference. So how to get a common difference here? A2 minus A1 and D is equal to A3 minus A2 and so on. In general, this is the D. Okay. In general, what we can write here? AN minus 1. Before this term, what is the next term here? C. Before this term, we will get a AN minus 1. Right? Because in general, what we can say, if the terms are up to fifth term are there, means it is an AN. N is 5. And what is this value? N minus 1, right? 4, 5 minus 1. So for that reason, I written in general, that is N minus 1. Okay. The last term is a N, but the last but one term is a N minus 1. Okay. So what is the difference? Difference formula. This is the difference formula. General formula for difference. Okay. Difference formula is equal to AN minus AN minus 1. This is the general formula for the difference. Okay. How to find a difference? D is equal to AN minus 1. You will get the difference value. Okay. So after that we are having here next thing is some more examples for AP is also given there here. And A comma A plus B, A plus 2D. Okay, so this is also general formula. Another form is there, general formula. Okay, how to write this one? We can write A comma A plus B, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D, and so on. This is also general form of arithmetic progression, because here only one difference you added, because again you have to add here difference. So here also 1D, here also 1D, 2D it will become, right? So this is also general form of arithmetic progression, that is A comma A plus B, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. That is D is equal to AN minus 1, and here A comma A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is also general form of the arithmetic progression. Okay. So this is this only. A1 means here A. A2 means A plus B. A3 means A plus 2D. And here so on. A4 means A plus 3D. Like that they will get. Okay. So after that we are having wait. Similarly D formula also are given here. And after that okay, we'll see the example number 1 here. For the AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2, write the first term and the common difference they given here. Okay, they given our progression here. Okay, so what is the example number 1? Example number 1 is like this. Example number 1, that is so given. Okay, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. You have to write the first term and common difference they ask. Okay, write the first term as well as the common difference. What is the first term here? This will be the first term. So first term is A here, 3 by 2. Next, what is the common difference? Common difference, that is equal to D is equal to, what is the formula? Here 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 you can write. Okay, because A2 minus A1, formula is A2 minus A1. Now here 2 is 1 minus 3, next minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1, right? We are getting a minus 1. Now take a A3 minus A4 also. Sorry, A3 minus A2. Again difference. A3 is this one minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Correct? So it is a minus 2 by 2. That is nothing but a minus 1. So we are getting a common difference same, right? In everywhere, take everywhere. See how to take A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A2. That is the formula for the difference I given already, right? So using that formula you can find the common difference is always the same here. So here also we got a minus 1 and here also we got a minus 1. So, right? So they told here first term has gonna be different. That is nothing but a minus 1. So this is the answer for this progression. Okay? Common difference is minus 1 and the first term is 3 by 2. Okay, and the second example is which of the following of a numbers form an AP. If they form an AP, write the next two terms they asked here. That will be discussed in the next class. Okay, and after that second example, directly we go to the exercise number 1.1 is there. We'll discuss the exercise number 1.1 in the next class only. Okay. So till that, be safe in your home. Homework is just write down, note down all the definition whatever are given on the board, and after that these examples just write it in a rough notebook, not it in a fair. Okay, only definitions write it in a fair, and all the examples just write it in a rough notebook only. And after completing the exercise number 1.1, after that write a definition same as you done in the 9th standard, no, that only follow here also. Okay, so till the next class, be safe in your home. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.